What does it take for a young boy selling tea at a railway station to become one of the most influential leaders in the world? His journey is not just a political story, it is a story of determination, discipline, and a dream for a stronger India. Today we will explore the life of Narendra Modi from his humble childhood to becoming India's longest serving Prime Minister and the vision he has for the nation's future. Narendra Modi was born on September 17, 1950 in Vadnagar, a small town in Gujarat. He came from a modest family. His father, Damodar Das Modi, sold tea and young Narendra Modi often helped him at the railway station. Life was not easy. Resources were limited, but his curiosity and determination were immense. Even as a child, he showed leadership qualities, participated in debate, and displayed a keen interest in serving society. Many people know him today as a global leader, but his story began in very ordinary surroundings. This is what makes his journey inspiring for millions. As a young man, Modi became associated with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, commonly known as the RSS. The organization's emphasis on discipline, nation building, and social service played an important role in shaping his world. Over the years, he worked as an organizer and gradually became involved in politics through the Bharatiya Janata Party. His organizational skills and ability to connect with people helped him rise through the ranks. In 2001, Narendra Modi became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. During his tenure, Gujarat witnessed significant industrial growth, infrastructure development, and investment. Supporters often highlight improvement in roads, electricity, and economic activity during this period. Good governance model attracted national attention and positioned him as a major political figure in India. The year 2014 marked a turning point in Indian politics. Narendra Modi led the BJP to historic electoral victory and became the Prime Minister of India. His campaign focused on development, governance, good governance, and economic growth. In 2019, he secured a second consecutive term with an even larger mandate. In 2024, he returned for a third term, becoming one of the longest serving Prime Minister in Indian history. Over the years, several major initiatives have been launched under his leadership. Swachh Bharat Mission for cleanliness and sanitation, Digital India to promote technology and digital service, Make in India to encourage manufacturing and investment, UPI and digital payment system that transform financial transactions, infrastructure projects including highways, railways, airports, and renewable energy initiative, effort to strengthen India's position on the global stage. Supporters view this program as transformative step toward modernization and economic progress. Modi often speaks about the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, a developed India by the centenary of independence. His vision includes a strong and self-reliant economy, world-class infrastructure, technological leadership in areas like AI, space, and digital innovation, sustainable development, and green energy, enhance global influence for India. One of Modi's most discussed qualities is his communication style. Through speeches, public interactions, and social media, he connects directly with millions of citizens, from helping his father sell tea at a railway station to leading the world's largest democracy. Narendra Modi's journey is remarkable. His vision for a developed, confident, and globally influenced in India continues to shape the country's direction.